Welcome back, suckers! Did you record it? Oh my god, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be showing you 6 exercises that you can do on the bar today, right now, outside and on a tree branch or a pull-up bar. Alright, so all of these exercises are for you people that are wanting to start out with doing calisthenics. Let's get into the video with these exercises. Alright, so the first exercise of the video is the pull-up. I know you know what a pull-up is, so let's get right into it. There was 5 pull-ups. Alright, so if y'all want to be able to follow it, y'all can watch our pull-up variation video down in the description. Alright, so on to the next one.
If you guys really enjoyed this video and you got this far into the video, we're going to be showing you guys number 2 exercise on the list. It is a pullover, but he's a little angry, so don't get on his bad side. Alright, we're in the exercise form. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Alright. Here we go.
Alright, on to the third exercise. Alright, so this one is a little bit easier for you guys, like a pull-up. That's usually the type of exercises that you would do after like a couple decades of doing calisthenics. So let's do an L-sit now. An L-sit, you need only ankle strength. So yeah, so if you have really good ankles, this is an L-sit for the people that have ankles. Actually, you don't even need ankle strength. You just need an ankle, like one at least. And that was the exercise. Alright guys, so the next exercise, number 5, I'm joking, it's number 4. The next exercise is muscle up to handstand. This one's actually like before beginner, so probably this is what you're doing by accident before you realize what calisthenics is. Sorry, there was a table in my throat, so I had to clear that real quick, right? Anyways, moving on. Muscle up to handstand. I almost said it backwards. I would show you this one, but Chris Heria is currently. He is currently. So, if I were to show you one of these, he might. And that was the exercise.
Okay. Behind the front lever in the 5 easiest ways to front lever. Okay. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. 5-second abdominal. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, that is like 5 seconds of excruciating abdominal pain. Alright. Alright. Excruciating abdominal. Alright.
Do you remember when you were the caboose in like pre-K? Well, this time you're gonna have to follow the leader. No! Moving on to skinning the cat. 2 times. 2 times. 2 times. Skin the cat 2 times. Let's go. And that was how to skin the cat.
Welcome back to another banger on the bar. Today, we're gonna be banging a bar.
What?
With the video. Alright, 5 easy exercises to learn on the bar. Alright, let me show you this banger of a bar. Alright, let's get right into the banger. Alright, bar.
Welcome back to another Can I Eat It or Can I Eat It? But today we're gonna be chewing on your fences and your roofs. Say goodbye to your roof and say hello to 5 pennies at a time.
This is a serious banger, but you can actually see what's happening.